Hello, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to disable the location services in your iPhone. First, I'm going to explain what location services is. Location services tells the unit or different applications in your phone where you're located at geographically, like your GPS coordinates that by longitude and latitude, exactly pinpointing your location. Now, it's good for some applications, for example, map applications, or if you're trying to find a place, like you're looking for a specific restaurant and you're using the restaurant app to find the nearest location for that restaurant, it's good to have the location services on. However, when you are just going around and the unit is tracking your movement, you basically don't have any privacy. You have no privacy, zero privacy, so you have to basically be aware which program or which software is using your location services. And here's how you can tell each specific program, to which program you allow location services to be active, to which you don't allow, and to which application you allow to know your location only while you're using the application, and to which application you allow to know your location even if you're not using the app in the background. So here's how we do it. First, you go to turn on your phone. This is an iPhone 7 Plus, but it works the same way on all iPhones. So go to Settings, go to Location Services, and right here where it says Location Services, it's currently on, but you could change it for each individual app. These are the programs like 7-Eleven, Albertson, Amazon Alexa, App Store, and all the other things such as Apple Watch. All these programs are allowed to watch your locations, and here are the settings. For example, 7-Eleven, it's only allowed to know my location while I'm using it. Albertson, while using. Now this Amazon is always allowed. App Store, you could choose it, you know. Let's say I want App Store to see it all the time. I just click on that and change it. Same way with like Auto Trader while using, and camera. The reason the camera, I set it to never because, for example, if you take a picture and you put it on social media, you're actually giving away the world where you're located at. So that's why it's not safe for your own security. It's not safe to do that. So, you know, Domino's Pizza, Ask, you know, this is the drone software DJI while using. Craigslist always, because if you're looking for a deal, you want Craigslist to know where you are at, you know. Expedia while using. So anyways, so if let's say Fridays, it's a restaurant, like if I go here, you could change it to never, ask, next time, while using, or always. So basically that's how you can change the location services. For each application in your phone, the setting could be customized so that application can use and the other applications may not have to use your location services. I hope this was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.